Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your ALCATEL 3X 2019, for the first you have to go to the Google Play Store on your ALCATEL and download the application to transfer data. Let's type CLONEit. This is the application that you are going to use. Click on the install and do the same on your Android smartphone. I'm gonna open this application because I downloaded it. So right now we have to open it. Click on the optimize, tap allow 2 times. Click on the yes, I agree. And right now click receiver on your ALCATEL. Click allow a few times, tap set, and then just turn on the location, go back, and click receiver once again. Then click sender on your Android smartphone, and right here we have also turned on the location, and just go back to our application and tap sender again. Click search again on your ALCATEL, and right now just wait a little bit. Click on the Android share icon, and we have 2 ways to connect. We can scan QR code, but also we can input the password manually. I'm going to scan QR code. So grab your phone, put it like that, and just wait. Accept the request on your Android phone. And if you want to send everything, just click on all of these icons and go for the start button. But in my case, I'm going below for the details. I will go to the music, unselect all files, and I will pick 3 songs. Click on the start. OK. Click finish. Close the application. And right now, when we are going to our files, so we have to enter the tools, file manager, go for the audio, and here we can find stuff that we sent from our Android phone to ALCATEL. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.